Let's take a look at an example of the dialog. So when we click on the Get Started button, so here, a dialog box appears prompting you to take action. You might have encountered dialogs with another name, modal, and you might wonder if these two terms are distinct or interchangeable. The W3C uses dialog and modal interchangeably, and here is their definition. You can have a read. Different companies have chosen different terms and definitions for these concepts. Now, in my view, you could use dialog and modal interchangeably. Now, when we dive into HTML and CSS, the dialog refers to HTML element while modal is associated with a modal pseudo-class. Here, we see some content and an image. When you click on the link, a dialog element appears showcasing the image in a larger view. This is the HTML structure. So when the link is clicked, the dialog element appears. Now, if we wish to enhance the dialog's appearance, say make the image larger or give it a yellow background color, we can use the modal pseudo-class and incorporate styles to refine our dialog's appearance. There's another instance where the modal pseudo-class comes into play, which is for elements in full screen mode. Again, we have some content and the image, and the HTML looks something like this. So when we click on the link, the div element transitions to full screen mode. To customize the appearance of the div in full screen mode, the full screen pseudo-class could be employed. But also, the modal pseudo-class can be used for the same purpose. Then you might wonder, is there a notable differences between the modal and full screen pseudo-classes when it comes to the full screen mode? The specification from W3C or MDN aren't explicit on this matter. To my understanding, they are doing the same thing in the context of the full screen mode. However, as we learned, the modal pseudo-class extends its utility to the dialog element as well. I hope you enjoyed this video. To learn more, check out our course. Happy coding!